Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the 10 rules of healthy eating. So, buckle up and let's get started. 1. Eat more fruits and vegetables. They're packed with nutrients and fiber, keeping you full and energized. 2. Go for lean proteins. Chicken breast, fish, and legumes are great sources of protein that help build muscle. 3. Choose whole grains. Brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread provide sustained energy and fiber. 4. Hydrate with water. It helps regulate body temperature, flush toxins out of your system, and keep your skin healthy. 5. Keep portions in check. Overeating can lead to weight gain or other health issues. 6. Limit processed foods. They often contain added sugars or unhealthy fats that can sabotage your health goals. 7. Incorporate healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds. They're all excellent sources of good fats that support brain function and heart health. 8. Reduce added sugars. Replace sweets with natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup to keep your diet balanced yet sweet. 9. Embrace variety in your diet. Eating a range of foods ensures you get all the necessary nutrients for good health and well-being. 10. Meal prep to stay on track. Planning your meals in advance makes it easier to stick to a healthy diet even when life gets busy. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more food tips and recipes. Until next time, eat well and stay healthy.